So the music launch of Happy New Year, guys. मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को? एक ही आवाज में बोला मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? That's much more like it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our next performer tonight. All the way from London, the biggest techno magician ever. Please give it up for Mr. Keelan. Mr. Keelan जी कहाँ पर हैं आप?
आप ताले नहीं बजाएंगे वो आएंगे नहीं. Come on.
Please.
Guys, come on.
Mr. Keelan.
देखिए.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Keelan. How are you? Hi.
How are you?
Fantastic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keelan. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इनके लिए.
What I'll be doing is a little bit of mind reading before I do a bit of digital magic. So I need your help. Is that okay?
Of course, I will help you. आपको मेरी मदद चाहिए, ठीक है?
Perfect. Well, what I've got here is I've got a tablet and I've got a prediction on YouTube. Now, we all know that the Happy New Year trailer has had millions of hits on YouTube.
Of course.
And I'm going to see if I can do the same with this prediction. If you just could hold that for me, would you?
तो इनके पास YouTube पे कुछ prediction है. हम देखते हैं कि इनका prediction सही है या नहीं.
Now, as we're talking about the internet, I've got this article which I thought was quite appropriate. Is why the internet is so important. Could you have a look at that?
Yeah, why the internet is so important. ये नाम का एक article है इनके पास. Right.
And we're going to choose a series of words. The way we're going to do that is you're going to just say shout stop whenever you like. I'm going to move the scissors up and down, and whenever you want, you just shout stop. I'm going to ask you to change your mind if you want as well, okay?
You want me to shout stop?
Shout stop. I'm going to do
जब भी
this
मेरा
and you
मन
just
करे.
shout stop, and that's where I'll cut. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Go.
And stop.
Now, do you want me to, are you happy there, or do you want to change your mind?
I am happy there.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's where I'll cut. Okay. And there it goes off to the floor. I'm going to use 2 fingers to pick this up because to make sure I'm not swapping the piece. Could you have a look at the top line for me where you cut? Could you read the top line?
इन्होंने जिस आर्टिकल को काटा है जहाँ पे मैंने इन्हें स्टॉप कहा था उसके पहले hyper ape yawn that was
Okay, so
slow.
3 words.
No.
Hyper, ape, and yawn. They're the 3 words that you stopped at. Is that correct?
Hyper ape yawn पे मैंने इनको रोका. Correct.
Okay, could you hit YouTube for me?
Okay.
It's just there.
YouTube. Okay.
Okay. I have a prediction on YouTube. And you see, on the back of this board, there are 3 words. And those 3 words happen to be hyper, ape, and yawn. Wow. But they're not really very exciting words. It could be made a bit more exciting, couldn't it? So perhaps if we rearrange these words, perhaps if we rearrange every single letter of these words and see what happens. If we take every single letter of these words and rearrange them, reform them, every single letter rearranges to the words Happy New Year.
Whoa!
Thank you.
Superb.
Thank you very
यार
much.
कीलन जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजा दो यार. Very nice.
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year, guys. Very nice.
Keelan, your magic is very chota for this stage. You know what is chota?
Small?
Like,
Whoa! बंदा हिंदी
that's
सीख गया.
what we normally call bombans anyway. Okay. So I'm going to show you a bigger magic.
Yeah?
I'm going to say one word
Okay.
and you'll see the biggest magic on this stage today.
एक word.
एक word यार, मेरा एक word ही काफी है.
क्या बात?
And the word is action.
यार तालियां बजाओ.
Action!
देखा? Keelan, can you do better magic than this?
I would love to try.
I doubt that anyone can be more magical than my starcast.
Absolutely. I'll give it a go though.
Especially Vivan because he keeps doing the disappearing act. Boman, you heard what I said? No, darling, I was talking about your nose.
Is it okay if I come in between you 2 lovely people here? Is that okay? Come in between here, like, so you can see. What I'm going to ask.
लड़कियों के साथ चांस मत मार.
What I'm going to ask you to do. What I have here is a digital vault. Okay, and inside this digital vault, I'm just going to open up the digital vault, and inside is something quite glamorous. It's actually a tennis ball. Okay, it's not too glamorous, but it might be more impressive if I just reach in there, grab it out into reality. Now,
Can you get a diamond out from there?
a diamond.
Yeah.
What would you? Is there anything you would want in particular? What you might want is perhaps let's look for perhaps a pack of cards. So let's open up the digital vault and hopefully I have a digital pack of cards in there. Let's have a look. Let's just put it down. And then let me just reach in there and grab out the cards into reality.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So guys, आ जाओ. Now as the Moranis call it the hurdle, let's do the hurdle around the hurdle. Okay, so we are going to show you the CD launch now. And okay.
Okay, the magic is going to begin. Farah is going to say abracadabra and
And abracadabra.
Farah कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
अरे we can't कुछ होएगा भी नहीं शाहरुख because music launch है और music directors ऊपर नहीं है.
हम तो भूल ही गए. For the greatest music director duo, our friends, and who have done some amazing magic for our films over the years. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Vishal and Shekhar.
और साथ में हमारे wow, Vishal's made his hair disappear as you all can see. And our most magical lyricist, Irshad Kamil. Irshad bhai, come up here.
Let's hear it for Irshad Bhai. Thank you, Irshad Bhai. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
और शाहरुख.
Thank you, Irshad Bhai. Come on, come on. ऐसे लिरिक आपको बार बार नहीं सुनने को मिलेंगे. नॉनसेंस की नाइट. वी फीलिंग ऑल राइट.
वो विशाल और मैंने लिखे हैं.
बट हम क्रेडिट इन्हीं को देंगे क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट टू बी लिंच्ड फॉर दिस. वेल डन विशाल एंड फारा. And of course, like Farah was very surreptitiously and quietly making this. Ladies and gentlemen, the company which has released our music, one of the finest companies.
और जो हमारे सब पैसे खा जाएंगे.
नहीं ऐसा मत बोलो अभी. Public platform पे मत बोल. Here we'll be nice to. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the biggest music company in the country and one of the most wonderful people and our friend Bhushan. Can we have him here? Bhushan, where are you? Yeah. Let me go. Thank you, Bhushan, for standing by us always. Thank you. Thank you very much.
भूषण.
And some of the singers for the film are here, so we'd of course like them to be here because this is the music launch and this music happens, which is the first packaging of the film, the first look of the film. It's not possible without these wonderful men, women, boys and girls. So please put your hands together first for
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Sunidhi Chauhan. And next in line, I think you've already heard her tonight, the beautiful voice of the one and only Neethi.
And is Sukhwinder Paji here?
I think Sukhwinder ji दूसरे show में चले गए हैं.
I think Sukhi is going to
Thank you, Neethi.
really going to perform.
Yes,
sir. Sukhwinder.
वो दूसरे कोई show में जा चुके हैं. कहीं और perform कर रहे हैं इस
So
वक्त.
now we will see the magic.
Yes,
Can you
finally.
all make a circle around this?
Semicircle.
Semicircle around this.
Don't be silly. Some of the girls can come in. Neethi and Sunidhi can come this side. Thank you. Come here, okay.
And let the magic begin.
तुम लोग बड़े डर लग रहे हो. तुम लोग बहुत डर लग रहे हो. No, come on.
शाहरुख भाई, हम प्रेस पे सारे सवाल छोड़े उससे पहले हमारे जितने भी फैंस हैं जो ट्विटर पे अभी पागल हुए जा रहे हैं आप सब लोगों से सवाल पूछने के लिए, बहुत ही अजीबो
मैं एक सेकंड लूं before
जी,
you
बिल्कुल,
start. I'm
बिल्कुल,
sorry.
बिल्कुल.
I'm sorry.
Please, sir, please,
First, thank you for this wonderful job and being here. Because it's a music launch, there are some singers who are not present with us right now, and some who were present, but because of our nonsense memory, especially mine, I forgot to call them on stage. So first of all, I'd like to mention and thank you, Shankar, who's not here, Mr. KK, Arijit Saab, and Shreya, who's not here, and Mika. They're all part of the music that you'll hear. And we have two of them here who performed in front of you, and I'd like to call them on stage and thank them personally, which is Kanika and Dr. Zeus.
Can we hear it for them, guys?
Let's hear it for them.
Kanika
Thank you,
and Dr.
Kanika.
Zeus,
Thank you,
ladies and
Dr.
gentlemen.
Zeus. Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely singers and the lovely voice behind the song
Thank you,
Lovely.
thank you
Can
very
we
much.
please hear it for them, guys? Come on.
Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. The song they've done in collaboration with Vishal Shekhar, and Vishal Shekhar, who added this massive number. We're not going to talk about it too much because the film is about all of us. It's not just about a song. It's not about just a moment in the film. It's all about us. But this song, we want to thank you personally for doing this, for Vishal Shekhar and us. Thank you very much, both of you. Thank you. Bless you both.
हाँ मैं कह रहा था कि बहुत सारे अजीबो गरीब सवाल आ रहे हैं. I'm so sorry. सबसे बहुत ही अजीब सवाल मुझे लगा कि आप अपने सर में कौन सा तेल लगाते हैं कि आज भी आपके बाल इतने घने हैं.
ये सच में पूछा है सर.
ये सच्ची में किसी ने पूछा ये कि आपके बाल आज भी इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं? मतलब हम 4 लोगों के बाल मिला के आपके अकेले के इतने घने.
बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं तुम 4 लोगों की मिलाकर मुझसे कम ही रहेंगी दोस्त.
सर एक्चुअली हमारे पास इतने सारे सवाल आए हैं जिनका जवाब देना पॉसिबल नहीं, लेकिन हमने कुछ सवाल सिलेक्ट किए. और पहला सवाल है रीम का, जो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों के हिसाब से पूरी कास्ट ऑफ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर में से सबसे बेस्ट सिंगर कौन?
बेस्ट सिंगर.
My vote goes to Boman and Abhishek.
तो यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉ हो गया है.
Boman and Abhishek.
Yeah.
We will compete and finalize
अभी
this.
final कर सकते हैं,
And जितनी loud claps होंगी उसके हिसाब से winner आज decide होगा.
बिल्कुल सर. अभी क्या अभी
कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप दोनों?
बमन
Age Before Beauty.
बमन भजन बहुत अच्छे गाते हैं.
तो कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप? अभिषेक? You choose. Whichever you want. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Okay. We are the world. हिंदी का हमारी पिक्चर गाना गा दे कोई. म्यूजिक लॉन्च है हमारा गा दे.
आपकी फिल्म का कोई गाना.
मनवा लागे.
Cause it's a nonsense key night. I'm
Which song you
feeling
wanna sing?
alright cause it's a nonsense key night. I'm feeling alright cause it's a nonsense key night. Oh monkey, what knows
Flavor of ginger, flavor of ginger
in the jungle.
Peacock is dancing. Who has seen her, seen
I
her,
take
seen
my
her, seen her,
words
seen her,
back. They are
seen
both
her?
bad.
Now Baman's bit.
Baman, yes, sir.
Who's his stick?
Whichever song.
Who's his stick?
Who's his stick?
Here's his buffalo.
Who's his stick? Here's his buffalo. Who's his stick? Here's his buffalo.
Just for all it means, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस.
So you decide who's the winner. Your vote goes. Okay.
decision
I think-
Everyone for Baman Irani.
Okay, can we hear it from the audience? मैं
Okay.
आप लोगों के हिसाब से बमन ईरानी सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजा. Who do you think was Baman sir better? Or do you think Abhishek was better?
बताइए अभिषेक. Oh, so we have a clear winner here.
आपके लिए सवाल है. All the way from India, from Florida, इलियाना का. इलियाना ये पूछती है कि पूरी फिल्म में 5 हीरोज हैं और आप एक अकेली लीडिंग लेडी हैं. तो आपको कैसा लगा इन 5 हीरोज के साथ काम करके?
In fact, we were just discussing that backstage.
Really?
Just before we walked on, he said, "You must be loving it, na, that you're the only woman and you're surrounded by 5 handsome hunks."
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I was telling him that it makes me feel really special. It makes me feel like they've taken such good care of me. They've always like been so protective and so caring and like always put me first before anything else.
अच्छा ये सच्ची जवाब है क्योंकि जहां तक हमने सुना है अभिषेक इज अ ब्रैट और वो किसी का ख्याल नहीं रखते, ही ओनली पुल्स प्रैंक्स। ये बात सच है कि नहीं? वो सिर्फ मस्ती करते थे।
आई वांट टू क्लियर दिस, यू नो, अभिषेक जो हैं
सबसे मस्ती
वो
हो रहे
मेक श्योर करते हैं कि दीपिका को हमेशा खाना मिलता रहे। ही इज आवर
And
मेन
vice
शेफ
versa,
एंड वाइस
okay?
वर्सा। he's the head of food and catering
And I'm head of feeding.
and feeding. She feeds. सोनू हमारे बॉडीगार्ड है, दीपिका को कोई देख नहीं सकता।
अच्छा,
हम लोग भी जो हैं डार्क ग्लासेस पहन कर आते हैं। आपने देखा होगा जब हम जा रहे थे तो बोमन झोली चुके हैं, उनके दुपट्टे को उठाकर चल रहे थे कि उनके पैर में ना आ जाए। ही इज अ मैन फाइटर एंड विवान इज द जेस्टर, ही इज द पंचिंग बैग। जब भी दीपिका गुस्सा होती हैं अपनी किसी चीज पर वो विवान को बुलाकर मारती हैं। मेरी वो फिल्म का ना वो डायलॉग अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझको, विवान वहां पे आ जाता है। मुझे और फारा को वो कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमारे साथ शुरुआत थी, तो हमको प्यार ही करती है वो। हम दोनों को कुछ नहीं कहते।
Most of the time I used to cut Deepika's scene, so I got to spend time with the 5 boys.
ये हुई ना बात। एक बार जोरदार ताली गाइस, कम ऑन फॉर द होल कास्ट ऑफ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
खान साहब, आलोक दिस साइड फ्रॉम OFM। आपके
Hello, Alok.
हाँ,
Always Alok first.
क्लास में फर्स्ट आ जाता हूँ। खान साहब, ट्रेलर लॉन्च भी था, काफ़ी वाहवाही हुई, हर तरफ तालियां बजी, हिट्स आए। आज ये बेहतरीन सा लॉन्च था, किसका दिमाग था ये, किसके दिमाग की उपज थी कि इतना ग्रैंड लॉन्च होने वाला है? इवन पूरा विश्व देख रहा है आज का म्यूजिक लॉन्च।
आई थिंक जब बहुत सारे लोग जैसे हम सब यहाँ पर हैं और टीम भी है जो बैक स्टेज है, सब इकट्ठे होते हैं, एकत्रित होते हैं एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए, तो एक खुशी का माहौल होता है। And every evening when we have a function like this, whether it was the trailer launch or the music launch, let me honestly tell you, हम 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि फिल्म हमारे हाथ से अब जा रही है, आप लोगों के पास आ रही है।
I'm very sad today. I'm
Yeah,
going to cry.
she's been
any
telling
minute.
कि मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे, मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे। So it's the celebration of what we've done for 2 years. The process has been most beautiful, and we try to actually, let me be honest, we are all together. It is for all of us to have a good evening, and it is for all of us to let go of something which is very special to us. फिल्म कैसी होगी, कहाँ जाएगी, वो अल्लाह मियाँ के हाथ में and audience के हाथ में. But we feel that every aspect of this film will just go out and be nice. So I want to thank our producers, Kareem and Karuna, who worked very hard for this. Cineyog, everyone. You know, every time we just want to celebrate letting
our
out a little
digital
bit of our
team.
film. And our digital team, Manish and all who worked this out.
Our PR, Mandvi.
सारे thank कर ले अभी.
And I want to thank Shahrukh because really when I asked him कि हम इतनी publicity हमें करने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, he said ज़रूरत नहीं है, but we want to do it from our heart so we get more and more occasions to be together and to celebrate this movie together. So we are doing it because we want to be together.
एंड खान साहब, अभी टूर भी आपका स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और जब चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का म्यूजिक लॉन्च था तो आपने गीत गाया था तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना। तो आज भी अगर 2 लाइनों से आगाज कर दें तो ये कारवां आगे बढ़ जाए।
मैं मन वाला आगे लड़की की तरह गाना चाहूंगा। I can't sing. I will not sing. वो क्या लाइन है हमारी जो इंडिया वाले से पहले? हाँ हाँ। How does it start? कामिल साहब ने लिखा है बहुत खूबसूरत। हम उस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पर आधा सा नंगा रहता है। इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है। इसका रैप वर्जन फिल्म की रिलीज पर मैं करूंगा। हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज okay, sorry, okay.
Good evening. Hi. I'm Rachna. Work with 9XM. Okay. My
पास
question.
रखो, थोड़ा पास रखो।
और
तुम लोग क्या
पास
सीन कर रहे हो
और
क्या?
पास और पास।
नहीं, I can't take it closer.
I was gonna say जैसे केला खाते हैं, but then you'll think I'm being cheap.
Okay. You know, when that visual of you came on screen with your backs all visible, there were too many oohs and ahs and all sorts of sounds that went on. Was it difficult putting that body together because, you know, you also went through an injury while you were filming and things like that? Was it difficult putting that kind of a body together after that?
Is this question for me?
Shah Rukh.
Oh, his body, हाँ.
मेरी ऐसी ही है, मैं naturally beautiful हूँ। नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। All of them know here that I'm not a big eater. I like to be healthy. I like to play games. एंड मैं कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं करूँगा कि ऐसा मेहनत किया और 2.5 दिन रात भर और दिन भर और ऐसा खाना खाया. You just be regularly fit, and then yes, of course, when you have special ladies like Deepika and Farah, and they appreciate in a sweet way, a nice way.
I
and
don't
kind way.
appreciate in a sweet way.
Okay, I didn't want to bring that cheap aspect of your lecherousness, but yeah, I mean, really, I'm very shy about this. This is good. I just do it because I'm required to do in a film, but besides that, nothing. मतलब ऐसा 40-50 दिन में हो जाता है अगर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करो तो. But if you're with Deepika and Abhishek, and if they're feeding you, you can't have abs like this. Let me make this very clear.
Hi, Bharti.
Hi, Farah. Well, congratulations to all of you for a spectacular launch. Wanted to ask you, you worked with Nasir in your first directorial film.
Yes.
You've got Vivan now.
Yes.
What was it like? Did you see a little bit of the father and the son?
I have taken out, but Nasir bullied me a lot when we were shooting Mehuna. Because it was my first film, so he used to bully me a lot. Let's say I've taken out all that bhadas on Vivan this time. No, but really, they are completely different people. I mean, I also worked with Nasir when he was much senior, and this is Vivan's second movie. And he's just such a wonderfully clean-hearted and good boy. I don't think he has one negative thought in his head. I don't think he has dialogues in his head also when he comes on set. But but I think it was for me, I mean, of course, working with Nasir was great. But I think really I was happier working with Vivan.
Hello, Shahrukh.
Vivan!
Hi. Congratulations. Really like the Radhe Radhe song the most.
Thank you.
And I think it'll do very well in the Garba season. So
In
yeah,
the
so
where?
yeah. The Garba season.
In the Garba season, okay.
Not Dandiya, Garba.
When is Garba season? We better release that song next.
So your association with Sukhwinder dates right back from Chaiya Chaiya, and I think it's a 100% record because this song should also do really well. So could you talk something about that? Hole Hole, Chaiya Chaiya, Darde Disco, now this.
More than that, I'd like to talk about Radhe Radhe. I think Sukhwinder Saab is a very special singer. We all love him. I think he's got a very special voice. I saw him recording. I normally don't go for recordings. I'm musically tone deaf. One night, for Chalte Chalte, I think he was singing a song. One of the few singers I've seen who sings the song in one go. Or ऐसा mic के सामने, ऐसा आगे पीछे. He's an amazing performer, amazing singer. And Radhe Radhe is basically Abhishek's song, his introduction. And has a very special place in the film because all of us, for the first time in the film, kind of come together and win in our lives. So it's an amazing, celebrative, happy song, and I think nobody better than Sukhwinder Saab. And yes, I'll say it again, whether it's Chaiya Chaiya, whether it is Kuch Kariye, Darde Disco. I mean, he's I don't
completely mad, and which is
Mad,
why
yeah.
I love using him. And like Shahrukh said, one of the few singers I actually go for the recording, and I'm there throughout the whole day because he goes completely mad while singing, and
I think
he
he's
does things
completely
to the
marvelous.
song that you can't record, like you can't compose it. He just does it.
And not just for our songs, I think any song that Sukhwinder Saab sings, it can't go wrong. He's fantastic because he does it from the heart.
Great. Awesome.
सवाल मेरा सवाल है फराह खान से
जी
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन से आप एक कामयाब डायरेक्टर है फिर भी आप सुपरस्टार को लेकर फिल्म बनाते हो आप नए को लेकर फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाते
अरे ये कौन विवान नया ही है भाई जायद खान भी नया था अमृता राव भी बॉमन भी नया ही
उसमें
है
भी शाहरुख खान था
हाँ
हाँ बस मैं ही पुराना हूँ
जब मैंने इनके साथ काम किया था ये भी दीपिका नहीं थी फर्स्ट मूवी भूल गए आप क्या बात कर रहे हो यार worked
और
with
अगर
lot of
और अगर
newcomers,
करती है तो ऐसी की तैसी तेरी क्यों ना करे यार
हाँ। होंगे न्यू कमर्स तुम्हारे पास मेरे पास शाहरुख खान है
Hi, Shahrukh. Hi, Shahrukh. Lipika here. You're proceeding for your show, slam show. So, क्या उसमें कौन से dances करने वाले? Are you beginning with Happy New Year and other films also?
नहीं हम लोगों ने सबने डिसाइड किया है कि हम सारी टीम जा रही है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की तो हम उसमें से 2-3 गाने ज़रूर करेंगे आई थिंक लवली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है आई थिंक हमारा इंडिया वाले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है मन वाला आगे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपना राधे राधे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है उसको करेंगे लेकिन वर्ल्ड टूर है और हम चाहेंगे कि जितने भी एक्टर्स यहाँ पर हैं उनके सबसे फेमस गाने, सबसे अच्छे गाने हम शोकेस करें कि लोगों को एंटरटेनमेंट मिले. It's not a selfish show for Happy New Year, but it just happens to be the Happy New Year team, which is, as a matter of fact, we are going to do the Dhoom song also. And अगर मुझे दीपिका अलाउ करेगी तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड भी करूँगा मैं थोड़ा सा. मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ तो if she, I've been requesting her, allow me to do it. So we'll do all the songs that all of us have done because we are a team which is very happy, wanting to be part of each other's lives, each other's profession, each other's high points. And I think that's why the tour is going to be a very happy one. It's not a tour to take Happy New Year forward. It's a tour where the Happy New Year team is coming and showcasing what they've done for the last 5, 6, 7 years since whenever we
Don't
have
forget
been on a world
Baman
tour.
and me also performing our love song.
And Baman and Farah, let me tell you, सबसे special जो item है, 6-pack app के साथ दर्द डिस्को आप देखने को आपको मिलेगा जो जिंदगी में एक ही बार देखने को मिलेगा उसके बाद शायद आप देखना चाहें but that's the main throw of this show is that.
Abhishek, since Shahrukh said that all the actors will be dancing on their favorite numbers, will you choose any of your favorite number for your Pa?
For my? From Pa?
Daddy, for your
For
Amit
my
Ji. For
No, but I'm
from
going on the
Amit
tour.
Ji,
No, he's
from
not.
Amit Ji's film.
I didn't understand the question, sorry.
From Amit Ji's film.
Am I going to do any of Dad's songs?
Yeah.
No, sorry. मेरे भी एक दो गाने हैं वही कर लूंगा मैं सॉरी वही करना पड़ेगा
Hello Jyoti.
हेलो ज्योति
Hello Jyoti.
थैंक यू सवाल है कि फरा के लिए दिस आई रिमेंबर इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट कंसीव्ड 5 years बैक बेटर लेट देन नेवर
10 years
back. Number one, what's the reason for this kind of a delay? And second question is for Shahrukh. While congratulating for the super success of Chennai Express, I was also amazed because I saw the film in Bombay at the press show, but I saw it more than 3 times when it was telecast on Sun TV as a Tamil film. How this kind of
So basically you didn't buy a ticket and go and see the movie, no? You saw it for free all 4 times. Jyoti?
Yes, Shahrukh ko ye sawal hai, did the success experiment of Chennai Express give him the confidence to come out with Happy New Year in Telugu and Tamil also in addition to Hindi?
Will they be? Yes, of course.
What gave you the confidence, the success of Chennai Express? You were distracted by Deepika at that time.
क्या बोला ज्योति ने?
Jyoti, repeat please.
You know, Chennai Express in Tamil, it was a big hit on Sun TV.
Repeat it again.
So, did that give you the confidence to come out with Tamil and Telugu versions of Happy New Year also?
You know, I took out the Tamil and Telugu version of Ravan also, and that didn't give me any confidence. I keep making the same mistakes again and again and again. And I'm happy doing them because I think the films that we make are for the country. And whichever language our country speaks, whether they're 196, I remember from Chennai Express. देखो Chennai Express बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I wonder why. But, you know, it's for the country. I would like our film to be showcased in every language. Whatever is practically possible, logistically possible. So Tamil, Telugu, of course. And I've been telling my office, I've been telling everyone, let's do it in Bhojpuri, let's do it in Bengali, let's do it in Punjabi, in Parsi, for 60 people. And
Let me tell you when Shahrukh, when Sonu speaks, you'll feel you're watching a Punjabi movie, not a
वो पंजाबी version है हमारा. इधर picture है कि why should we feed him? So we have that version. But yeah, I really want everyone to see whichever language the film is, even if it's shot in Tamil, I think it should be dubbed in every language. We have so many India is very different from any other country in the world. And I think we should respect that, love that, and you know, whatever turns you on in terms of the region you are in, you know, that I like the film in this language, if it appeals to you in that language, whether it's Marathi, whether it's Punjabi, whether it's, I think we should find, this is my secret desire, that we should make a film in whichever language and dub it in all, subtitle it in all, and release it all over the country. We have so many languages, so many beautiful people, and I think that's the best way to reach everyone.
And Jyoti, you're a very dear friend of ours. This time, please buy a ticket and watch this movie.
Well, Sun TV is good, but just kind of.
इसका मतलब है प्रेस शो नहीं होने वाला है.
वो भी फ्री में है यार.
नहीं, प्रेस शो के लिए चार्ज करने वाले हैं इस बार.
Farah, back to that question, why Happy New Year was delayed by 10 years?
Yeah, Jyoti, I don't know. So many things happened after Main Hoon Na. I got married, then I wrote some other version of it and we didn't like it. So then we made Om Shanti Om. After that, I had children. So it just went on. I think a movie has its destiny and a time. And only when that time comes, the movie gets made. And I'm glad that it's being made today because I don't think 10 years ago it would have been made on this scale with this grandeur, with the kind of production value that Shah Rukh's Red Chillies has put in it. So I think this is the right time for Happy New Year to come out.
Farah, tell the truth. Actually, at that time, Vivan was not born.
Yes, that too.
And Vivan wasn't born and Boman wasn't young enough that time, so we were just waiting for him to.
Yeah.
Zahar, do you have a question? You have a question.
There's a
What
question.
is
Yeah,
it?
please ask him. Matlab, why are we launching it? Why didn't we just make the movie and shut up?
What is it, Shivan? What
Why
is-
couldn't you just make the movie?
That's not my son, just being clear. He knows his mother made the movie. Shivan, I'll talk to you at home. Okay.
दीपिका, हाय दिस सोहेल हियर ऑन योर राइट. आपकी पिछली फिल्म थी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में एक डायलॉग काफ़ी हाईलाइट हुआ था कि कहाँ से लाई ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी यूनिट्स थे. तो इस फिल्म में भी एक डायलॉग है कि इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस, यू नो दैट कुड यू जस्ट लगता है इट विल बी हाईलाइट ऑफ द फिल्म, और कुड यू से दैट डायलॉग प्लीज.
The which one? Art है art. इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस. इजी नहीं है. डांस एक पूजा है. डांस एक आर्ट है आर्ट.
And your line. Abhishek's line after that.
हाँ तो मैंने कब बोला नो है.
वही है ना डायलॉग.
हाँ जी. इंग्लिश ये जी. वो भी सुनना चाहेंगे आप? अच्छा. हमारे YouTube के काफी हिट्स हैं. उसमें जाके क्लिक कीजिए, लाइक प्रेस करिए, दिख जाएगा आपको. जितने भी बार आपको चाहे वो सुन सकते हैं आप कि इंग्लिश 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 इंग्लिश. हाँ जी. हाँ जी, मुझे भी बहुत याद आती है उनकी. वो पीछे वाले स्टूडियो में केबीसी की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद तुरंत जाके उनसे पूछूंगा क्या मैं आपका एक गाना परफॉर्म कर सकूं और क्या मैं आपका जो डायलॉग है आई कैन वॉक इंग्लिश आई कैन टॉक इंग्लिश, वो प्लीज. थैंक यू. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने मेरे पूज्य पिताजी का याद मुझे दिला दिया फिर से. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Hi Farah, this is Faridun from Bollywood Hungama. There are reports that you have said that you won't be choreographing after that. You're one of the finest choreographers that we have. So is it true? And
yes.
If you have to rate all your star cast on a scale of 1 to 10, how will you rate them as dancers?
As dancers? yes, Deepika is the best dancer. तूने ऐसे किया ना, ऐसे मेरे को बोलने के लिए. You just coughing. And Shah Rukh is also the best
And was
dancer.
split in a sari, huh?
1 to 10, please. On a scale of 1
1 to 10. Nobody can do what Vivan does.
I can't beat Vivan.
Oh.
See, you all are taking advantage.
See, Faridun.
You're in pants. This is not fair.
Deepika, come on, baby.
In a sari, what?
Like, baby, do something. Come on. Both of us will do. Come. Easy
Dum
लगता है.
tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak. Yeah. So you know,
Faridun.
Deepika is not the best dancer in this film, and neither is Farah.
I rate all of them 10 because my movie is about the world's worst dancers.
Last 2 questions, please.
नमस्कार सर, मैडम, जितने भी लोग हैं, मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस. पहली बात, शाहरुख भाई, दिल्ली से आया हूँ, लकी फ्रॉम OFM. तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड का आपने जिक्र किया अभी, तो मैं कहूँ जितनी भी लड़कियां दिल्ली में हैं सब अपने आप को आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड मानती हैं. तो सबकी तरफ से एक थैंक्स फरा मैम को, क्योंकि 2 बार तसल्ली बख्श एप्स जो दिखाई हैं शाहरुख भाई की आपने दिखाई हैं. तो एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, वो अब इन टोटल हैं कितनी? मतलब
देखो, एक्चुअली 10 हैं, लेकिन हम 8 बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम फिर क्या बोलेंगे, 12 तो नहीं बोल सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम 10 बोलेंगे।
और मेरा एक पुरानी फिल्म थी जो फारा ने पहला मेरा गाना किया था, कभी हाँ कभी ना। उसमें लाइन थी, हर किसी ने मेरे ऐप देखे, हुनर को ना देखा।
एक और चीज फरा मैम, ये मूवी इज कॉल्ड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर,
Yes.
सो डोंट यू थिंक न्यू ईयर वुड हैव बीन द एप्ट टाइम टू रिलीज?
Darling, whenever we release a movie, it'll be a happy new year.
1000 crore बॉक्स ऑफिस रिपोर्ट. थैंक यू सो मच, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Thank you.
अनुराग पांडे.
Hi, Raj.
माइक्रोफोन दो ना यार, माइक
विजय,
क्यों नहीं दे रहे इनको? नहीं कोई
ओए,
बात कैसे नहीं यार,
पिक्चर
हमारी
पांडे।
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है यार, पिक्चर पांडे।
मेरा बेटा
रुक
बैठा है,
जाना एक
वापस बोलना पड़ेगा तुझे।
जी बोलूंगा, जरूर बोलूंगा.
सर,
इनको माइक दे दो, फिर मैं
सर।
पिक्चर पांडे तेरे पास आ रहा हूँ।
जी.
तुम दोनों ने
पांडे।
तुम दोनों ने सेम शर्ट पहनी हुई है, सिमिलर।
Since you guys are all going to miss each other so much, why isn't there any thought about a sequel?
ये तो खत्म हो जाए ना दोस्त, एक तो कर लेना यार।
My last question for Sonu. Farah was looking for someone else because she finally cast you because of your body. So did she use you in the film, your body?
Bhati?
I remember when I just got to know about it. I called Farah from Bangkok. He said, I got to know that you are still looking out for a role. Mailed the pictures to Farah. She said, "Achhi hai," and I think that was the first.
See, actually, his role demands like a.
And I just want to tell you, मुझे अभी मालूम पड़ा, Bharti, could you ask this question because अभी मुझे मालूम पड़ा. She sent the same messages to all of us. Body कैसी है तेरी? और हम सब ने बोला अच्छी है. And she approved all the bodies, different types, and cast us in the film. सिर्फ दीपिका से उसने नहीं पूछा, हम सब से पूछा था. We have all been very exploited in this film, really.
Last question. Manvi, you have said that
होगा
4
ना?
times.
हाँ,
I
मगर
hope
तो
you
बोलती
know.
रहे और ये लोग पूछते रहेंगे, फिक्र मत कर.
ओके. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का हर इंसान की जिंदगी में मतलब अलग अलग होता है. विवान चुपचाप बैठे हुए हैं, सोनू, अभिषेक, आपके हिसाब से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपकी जिंदगी में कैसा
पहले
है?
अपनी पिक्चर पाने वाली आवाज में बात करना.
हाँ, वैसे बोलना.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
ओके, फराह के बेटे के लिए पिक्चर पांडे. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर हर इंसान की जिंदगी में, क्योंकि देखिए अभी तो 300 करोड़ बनने वाले हैं, उसके बाद तो आप लोग बात करेंगे ही और प्रमोशन में जाएंगे. उसके पहले मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, आते लोगों का काम कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपके हिसाब से कब बहुत जबरदस्त रहा?
मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हैप्पी न्यू ईयर यही रहा है. बड़े साल से इंतजार था कि कब ऐसा साल हो. But I think all thanks to Farah and Shahrukh who gave me the most important year of my life.
अभिषेक सेम क्वेश्चन.
What was the question? हाँ. Well, I'm pretty sure for everybody on this dais that this is going to be a very happy new year. सब लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की है इस फिल्म पे, and जैसे कि शाहरुख ने पहले भी कहा that I don't think anybody wants to let the film go, but it has to be released, and I think it is going to be a happy new year for everybody. And the gentleman over there who asked about why we're releasing on not on New Year, Diwali is the start of a new year, so it is going to be a very happy new year.
दीपिका. नो, अलग डिफरेंट कुछ. अरे
ये क्या है ना, मेरी जो आवाज है उसे निकाल के टोन उसका थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करके अलग अलग आवाज. विवान हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, दीपिका just do it like that ना. रेडियो you can edit.
अच्छा ऐसा. कोई रेजोल्यूशन लिया था जिंदगी में आज तक जो कभी कंप्लीट हुआ है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का?
I don't believe in waiting for New Year's to make a resolution or to change something that I want to about myself or my life. If I believe that I believe that if I want to do something, you do it there and then. You don't wait for New Year's.
शाहरुख, आपने एक बार मुझसे प्रॉमिस किया था हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के समय कि मैं हर साल 4 फिल्में करूंगा, लेकिन आपने नहीं किया. हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, जितनी जल्दी फिल्में करें, एंटरटेन करें लोगों को.
मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि एक फिल्म मैं एक साल में ख़त्म कर लूँ. एक तो मेरी वजह से मैं कुछ 11 बजे सेट पर पहुँचता हूँ तो सब लेट हो जाते हैं यार. इट्स जस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. आजकल फिल्में इतनी बड़ी हो गई हैं माशाल्लाह, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, और सब जो हैं प्रोफेशनल हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, एक फिल्म एट अ टाइम. 4 तो अब मैं कभी नहीं कर सकूँगा मुझे लगता है, unless people start shooting films in about 5 days, which is impossible, or give me a 5-day role. But I'll try my best. I keep on working round the clock, hoping to make more films, but it's impossible. I really want to do a lot of more films, make everyone happy, different kind of films, all of us I'm sure. But थोड़ा professionalism आना बहुत ज़रूरी है film industry में, और उसके लिए मुझे लगता है, I think the most important part is actors, directors, producers, technicians do one film at a time. It will make our film industry a much better place. I think internationally also we'll gain a lot more. If we just complete one film, take a little break, get into the next character, next film with the next director, and then go on. ये 4-5 फिल्मों करने का जो है थोड़ा सिस्टम पुराना हो गया है.
I've always said that the special thing about Shah sir and Farah ma'am is that they can bring a smile to anyone's faces. All of us can, everybody can, but of course, everyone. I'm saying in particular, Shah sir, in particular, Shah sir and Farah ma'am can bring a smile to anyone's face. Even when on shoot. But all of us, I'm saying in particularly, mainly. Okay, everybody. Baman sir, Farah ma'am, Shah sir. Baman sir, Farah ma'am, Shah sir, Deepika, Abhishek and Sonu. All of us. Everybody can bring happiness and bring a smile to everyone's face.
That's why we don't give him the mic.
I'm going to make you say this 5 times.
So your voice completely goes till I can't hear you. Say it again. What do you want to know? Just tell me again. Just keep on saying it.
Okay. The marketing and all is a part of the production. Whenever it is done, we will do it. And we'll only be happy to be going wherever we're invited, whatever we have to do. I think everybody is very courteous, very gracious, so is Salman Bhai. If you have the time and if we have the scope in our marketing thought with Manvi and Manish and everyone, most certainly we'll go there. But if you don't have it, please don't take it personally and wrong that we avoided it. It just needs to be done when it needs to be done. And if our timings and everything match, and I think it's very gracious of Big Boss, Salman and everyone to talk about our film, talk about Farah's film, talk about our film.